Pakistan disputes claims by India with reference to the Shimla Agreement that United Nations resolution on Kashmir have lost their relevance. It urged that legally or politically United Nations resolution cannot be superseded without the United Nations Security Council adopting a resolution to that effect. It also maintained the Shimla Agreement emphasizes exploring a peaceful bilateral outcome without excluding the role of United Nations and other negotiations. This is based on its interpretation of Article 1I stating the principles and the purpose of the Charter of the United Nations shall govern the relation between the two countries. Human rights organizations have strongly condemned Indian troops for widespread rape and murder of the innocent civilians while accusing these civilians of being militant. The Chenab formula was a compromise proposed in the 1960s in which the Kashmir Valley and the other Muslim-dominated areas north of the Chenab River would go to Pakistan and Jammu and the other Hindu-dominated region would go to India. A poll by the Indian newspaper shows 48% of Pakistanis want Islamabad to take full control of the Kashmir, while 47% of the Pakistanis support Kashmiri independence. Former Pakistani President General Pervez Musharraf on 16 October 2014 said that Pakistan need to incite this fighting in Kashmir. We have sources in Kashmir. Besides the Pakistan army, people in Kashmir are fighting against India. We just need to incite them. And Musharraf told on TV channel. On 2015, Pakistan outgoing National Security Advisor Zartaj Aziz said that Pakistan wished to have third-party mediation in Kashmir, but it was unlikely to happen unless by international pressure. Under Shimla Accord, it was decided that India and Pakistan would resolve their disputes bilaterally. Aziz said such bilateral talks have not yielded any result for the last 40 years. So then what is the solution? Chinese view. Chinese state that Akasi Chin is an integral part of China and does not recognize the inclusion of the Akasi Chin as a part of the Kashmir region. China did not accept the boundaries of the princely state of the Kashmir and Jammu north of Akasi Chin and Karakoram as proposed by the British. China settled its border disputes with the Pakistan under the 1963 Sino-Pakistan Agreement on the Trans-Karakoram Tract, with the provision that the settlement was subjected to the final solution of the Kashmir disputes. Kashmiri views. Scholar Andrew with Whitehead states that the Kashmiri views Kashmir as having been ruled by their own in 1586. Since then, they believe it has been ruled in succession by the Mughals, Afghans, Sikhs, Dogars, and lately the Indian government. Whitehead states that this is only partially true. The Mughals lavished much affection and resources on Kashmir. The Dogars made Srinagar their capital next only to their native Jammu city, and there throughout much of the post-independence India. Kashmiri Muslims headed the state government, yet Kashmiris bear an acute sense of the grievance that they were not in control of their own fate for countries. A.G. Noorani, a constitutional expert, says to the people of Kashmir are very much a party to the disputes. According to an opinion poll conducted by the Center by the Study of the Developing Societies in 2007, 87% of the people in mainly Muslim Srinagar want independence, whereas 95% of people in the mainly Hindus Jammu city think the state should be part of the India. The Kashmir Valley is the only region of the former princely state where the majority of the population is unhappy with its current status. The Hindus of the Jammu and Buddhists of the Ladakh are content under Indian administration. Muslim of Azad Kashmir and the northern areas are content under Pakistani administration. Kashmir Valley's Muslims want to change their national status to the independence.